Finally, after a long day of work, I can just chill and draw.
Hey, yo, you mind if I sit here?
Yo, you mind if you sit literally anywhere else?
Oh, cool, you draw? Okay, I see you putting pencil to paper. I do some art myself too, you know.
Here we go. That's
It's
crazy. They let anyone be an artist.
It's it's more like
He's a little funny and goofy. Kinda like this drawing.
it's fun or whatever, you know, like helps you pass the time, so that's cool. But what you do, that's that's dope. That's different. Being able to draw from life.
Okay. I hope he stops talking.
Me on the other hand, I've been messing with metal and stuff, you know, like jewelry, anklets, bracelets. I used to try to make jewelry for friends, but
Okay.
something about being able to bend something that's not supposed to be broken, something about that in particular is therapeutic. And I never intended it to be my main source of income, but one day at a time, I guess. Disc cutters, like what am I doing cutting metal with metal? Like,
He's a little weird. But not too bad, I guess.
I don't even know what else.
Hearing his passion. I don't know. It's pretty freeing.
Drawing's pretty freeing though, right? Would you say so? Yeah, I mean, look at you. People,
Maybe I should hear him out some more.
people don't really listen.
He probably hates it when people tune him out.
I'm getting tired of being tuned out.
Like I do.
Like everything I say goes into one ear, not the other. I just wish that, you know, like,
Seems like we're alike.
well, this is my stop. That right there, that's a cool picture. Yeah. You keep on doing you, and I appreciate you hearing me out.
That was pretty nice.